Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. In this video, we'll be going over the Notability app, explaining its features, strengths, and potential drawbacks to help you decide if it's worth using. Notability is a popular note-taking app available for iOS and macOS, designed for students, professionals, and anyone looking for an organized way to manage notes. One of its standout features is the ability to combine handwriting, typing, and audio recordings in a single note. This makes it especially useful for lectures or meetings, where you can type key points, draw diagrams, and simultaneously record audio for reference. The app offers a wide range of writing tools, including various pen styles, highlighters, and customizable colors, allowing you to create visually organized notes. There's also a powerful text tool that makes typed content easy to format, and you can even convert handwritten notes into text using the app's handwriting recognition feature. Notability supports PDF annotation, allowing you to import documents, highlight key points, and add comments directly within the file. This makes it a great option for reviewing lecture slides, worksheets, or business documents. Additionally, the app includes a multi-note feature, enabling you to open and view two notes side by side, which can be especially helpful when comparing content or referencing multiple documents at once. For organization, Notability offers subject dividers and folders to help you manage your notes efficiently. You can also add tags for better search functionality. Notes are automatically backed up to cloud services like iCloud, Google Drive, or Dropbox, ensuring your data is secure and accessible across devices. While Notability has plenty of strengths, there are some limitations to consider. The app is not free and operates on a subscription model, which may be a drawback for users looking for a one-time purchase. Some users also find the text editing options less extensive than other note-taking apps, and the interface may take a little time to get used to if you're new to digital note-taking. Overall, Notability is a powerful tool for detailed, organized note-taking with strong audio integration and annotation capabilities. It's ideal for students, professionals, and creatives who need flexibility in their notes. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.